Good morning, students. I am Anjula Garwal. Today we will discuss the poem of class 9, Rain on the Roof by Code Skinley. When the sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining, have you ever listened to the patter of soft rain? Patter, falling of the patter means falling sound of rain through your mind as you heard a melody of nature. Read the poem to find out what the poet dreamed of while listening to the poet. In this poem, the poet varied reactions to the sound of the rain which fall on the roof of his house. Now, when the humid means wet, hover means appear, over, starry sphere means stars as spheres, melancholy means sad, cottage somber, room in a house, overhead, above the head. So when the atmosphere is very humid over all the starry spheres, at that time there is sad darkness, melancholy darkness, sad darkness was there, and the rain comes in the form of tears, and it is a bliss. Now the poet enjoys when he was sitting in a cottage chamber bed and is listening the falling sound of the soft rain over his head. Every twinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start. Now every tinkle sound of rain falling on the small stones, shingles, pieces of stone, has an echo in the heart. When the rain falls on the small stones, at that time there is an echo in his heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollection memories came into his mind. They create a woof means weaving web of air threads as I listen to the patter falling sound of the rain upon the roof. Here you can see busy being, alliteration, example. Now in memories comes my mother as she used in years ago. The poet says at that time in his memory his mother comes, she used in years ago. Agone by gone, the time has been past, to regard the darling dreamers, and she gave regard to the loving dreamers, she left them till the dawn. Dawn is early morning time, and now these memories, these dreams, she left till the dawn time. Oh, I feel her fond look on me. At that time he feels that her mother is looking at him, and I list to this refrain which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Fond means dear, refrain means music. Now he says the rain falling on the shingles, so it creates musical sound. He feels it through the bliss caused by the falling of the rain. And now you are able to understand this poem. Now I am telling you what is the message of the poem. The rain is Mother Nature's way of showing her healing power, a source of happiness and pleasure. It leaves everlasting memories in the mind of the humans with its presence, fragrance, and sound. Poetic devices are used in the poem. First is alliteration. A lot of examples of alliteration there. When the humid shadows hover, one letter H is repeated. Personification is also here. Melancholy darkness has been used. Onomatopoeia. What is onomatopoeia? As a poetic device in which certain words are used to denote real life sounds as patter, tinkle. So students, I think you are able to understand this. Thank you.